Hey everyone, it's Charlie with StartupWise, and in today's video, I'll show you how to start an online coaching business. I'll take you guys step by step through the entire process of setting up your online coaching business, how you can find more clients, how to identify your niche, how to do social media marketing, how to build out your social media platforms, developing your coaching program, pricing, and all that stuff. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start up your online coaching business. And yeah, I really recommend watching through because we'll cover a lot of things that are going to save you a lot of time and prevent you from making a ton of mistakes. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because on this channel, we do a ton of free tutorials just like this, helping you to start your business. Okay, so let's first talk about what online coaching is. Online coaching is a way of selling your knowledge online. It's exactly how it sounds, right? So with the internet these days and social media, and when you combine it with coaching, you're able to conduct coaching calls from anywhere in the world. So this is a really great business if you want to be location independent while still making a lot of money. As an online coach, you work for yourself, you set your own rates, you can choose the hours that you want to work, and you actually do get to make a huge difference in the life of your clients. This is a rapidly growing industry. I think a lot of you guys that are actively searching for this business type could be fantastic online coaches. And yeah, especially if you have specific knowledge on a certain niche, that's when online coaching can really make sense. Now, as a coach myself, I've done over 200, close to 300 online coaching sessions. I've had the opportunity of meeting a lot of people, changing a lot of lives. And I'll tell you guys, it's super rewarding. So if you enjoy helping people out, then you're gonna absolutely love this. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna want to do is identify our niche. What niche and industry are we actually gonna do online coaching in? The thing is, you can't really charge that much money if you are a very general online coach, right? Let's say you guys are into personal finance and entrepreneurship and all that stuff. If you wanna coach people on all this stuff, I actually don't recommend doing that because you're not gonna be able to charge a sustainable rate. And even if you do charge a high rate, there aren't that many people looking for coaching on such a broad topic. So select a niche that actually aligns with both your passion as well as your expertise. And yeah, usually when this relates to making money, that equates to being able to charge a good amount for your coaching services. However, it does not need to only be about making money. It can be about self-improvement. It can be about spirituality, therapy, pretty much anything that you guys can think of that you have a skill in, you can turn that into an online coaching business. You can even teach other online coaches how to build an online business. So yeah, really you guys can teach anything. Now you might be thinking, I don't know what to teach. I have a lot of knowledge in different areas, but I don't know which one to actually choose to be my specific niche. Well, let's cover some of the most popular online coaching niches that are out there today. First is going to be health and wellness coaching. So this can be fitness, weightlifting, nutrition, dieting, everything like that. Next is going to be business coaching, right? So helping other entrepreneurs succeed in their business goals. There's also career coaching where you guys can help people in more traditional careers find success. There's life coaching, there's executive coaching, there's relationship coaching, there's education coaching where you teach other people how to become tutors and sell their knowledge online. There's financial coaching, so you teach people how to invest money, trade stocks, stuff like that. There's performance coaching where you teach other people how to become better performers in business, academics, sports, pretty much any field like that. And there's also spiritual coaching like I mentioned before. So after you identify your niche, you're going to want to take that and then identify your ideal client. So what skill level are you and what types of people can you actually teach? What I recommend you guys do is to identify a client avatar. This is the exact type of person that you think would benefit most from your coaching. And the reason why this is so important is because this is going to help us identify our marketing goals because you can be the best coach in the world, but if no one knows that you are an online coach, if no one knows your expertise, then you will never find any clients. That's just how it goes. Beyond that, having an ideal client avatar is going to allow you to actually design your coaching. It'll help you decide what things to talk about. And of course, this is on a case-by-case basis, but it does really help for you guys to actually start brainstorming the things that you can talk about within your sessions. So next up, we are going to develop our actual coaching program. Now, there are so many different ways that you guys can do this. For example, you can just do hour sessions where you can basically talk about anything. You can also have group coaching sessions where you take them through a specific curriculum. Of course, in that case, you will need to design a curriculum. You can do the same thing, but on a one-on-one basis. You can have different cohorts, or you can even package up your coaching program into an online course. Now, if you guys want to do that, I do recommend using something like Kajabi. I will leave a link down below. This is the online course platform that I use to create all my courses, and it is absolutely amazing. So yeah, this is really going to depend on what you guys are teaching. Just identify what is going to be the most effective way to teach your students based on the niche that you have selected. Figure out, do I actually need to create a curriculum, or is it going to be more of a one-on-one, talk it out, see what their problems are, and give them advice, a sort of session. Get really creative with this because there are a lot of online coaches out there. And so if you can really really stand out with your offer, then that's really going to help with the success of your business. But yeah, in a nutshell, your coaching program should contain a lot of information, but beyond that, it should contain a lot of accountability. I honestly think that accountability is the most important part of pretty much any online coaching or online course program, because yes, all this information, it can be found out there for free somewhere. Instead, what you're doing is aggregating all of it together in an easy to understand and followable process, as well as giving them one-on-one accountability. That really is the biggest separator between someone just learning something and not seeing success and someone learning something and actually applying it to their business. And I'm talking about business in this case, but this can extend on to any other niche. Okay, so after this, we are going to need to build our online presence. The only way you guys can get your first clients and really build a growing business is by having social media platforms where you share knowledge for free, and in exchange, people really trust you, and if they want to actually talk to you one-on-one, well, the only way to do that is to book a session with you. So this is fantastic lead gen, and you can really get super creative with the way that you run your social media platforms, but I do recommend getting on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Twitter is also another good one that I'm just starting to explore, but it can definitely lead to you getting a lot of new clients. Beyond that, you are going to want some type of website, and this website is where a lot of people are going to actually book your services. So many ways you guys can do this. If you use Kajabi, they actually have a built-in website builder, or if you want to go a really inexpensive route, you guys can use WordPress. We do recommend using Hostinger web hosting. This is the most affordable web hosting out there for WordPress. It's under $3 per month. And if you guys use my link down below and enter code Charlie Chang, it's going to give you an exclusive discount that is only available to my viewers. On this website that you build, you will have your expertise, you'll have testimonials, you'll have a booking page, and that's going to be really essential for you to convert your audience into actual paid customers. But essentially, we are creating a big personal brand through social media and your website. And with that personal brand, that is going to really help you find your clients, build expertise in that niche, and grow a business that lasts for many, many years. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is a question that I get a lot. So with online coaching, especially if you're doing one-on-one sessions, then I will say this is not completely scalable. You can't continue to make more and more money because you are limited by the time you have available. Most people are not able to do more than 4 to 6 hours of coaching per day because it can get really tiring. So if you're doing one-on-one sessions, I recommend starting with a pretty high rate. Your first few clients don't need to be at that rate, but you definitely do want to get a testimonial from them because that's going to help you with your marketing a lot. But after that, you should easily be able to charge $100 to $1,000 per hour, depending on what you are actually teaching. Of course, pricing varies so much on a case-by-case basis. It's going to depend on your expertise, how long you've been in this field, the type of coaching you're doing, and all that stuff. I will just say charge more than you think you are worth because you are worth that amount. And then after that, it's really all about satisfying your clients, right? As you work with clients, get them actual results, because if you get them results, this means you get testimonials, this means you get word of mouth referrals, and this means that you are growing your expertise and reputation in that industry. People will talk about you online, they will talk about how amazing your coaching was, and this can lead to you doing speeches, it can lead to you having a massive personal brand, and really the sky is endless when it comes to that. Overall, I am super bullish on online coaching. I think it is a fantastic way to make money online, especially if you have expertise in any type of industry or niche. Then you can literally work from anywhere, you can charge a lot per hour, and it really does feel good to help change the lives of your clients. Because I really do believe that with proper coaching, anyone can become super successful. Anyways, I hope you guys found some value from this video. I know this is a pretty general and broad overview of how to start an online business, but I took you guys through the different steps. We talked about a lot of really important things in the whole online coaching business process. And if you take the things we talked about and actually implement and take action on them, then you're gonna be well on your way to creating a successful and thriving online coaching business. All the resources we talked about are gonna be down below in the description. If you guys use those links, it's going to actually help you save more money than you would otherwise have saved, and it will help support our channel. So thank you so much in advance. If you're just getting into online coaching, I encourage you guys to comment down below. Let us know what you are coaching. And it's always really interesting to see what other people are teaching online these days. Best of luck to you guys. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. On this channel, we do a ton of free videos helping you start your business. Anyways, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.